Time is only relevant if you make it so. You'll stop complaining about your age when you consider the alternative. Old age means you don't have to set your alarm clock anymore. Celebrate old age, not everyone makes it this far. Old age is something only the lucky get to do. Old age isn't always synonymous with wisdom. Aged and full-bodied like a good wine sounds better than old age. Not everyone understands that old age simply means your body looks old, but your soul is still that vibrant young 20-something. Old age sounds tired and worn out, when it couldn't be further from the truth. Old age can be the best time of your life since restrictions that come with youth have fallen away. Old age can be a very freeing experience. You aren't old, you're vintage. When you're old, you no longer have to care about youthful things. Old age doesn't mean you stop dreaming about the future. When you reach old age, you should still be making plans for the future. Don't let anyone tell you old age means you have to slow down. There is power in being old, you just have to recognize it. When you're old, you can offer sage advice. Be proud you're old, a lot of people won't ever be able to say that. The phrase "you're as old as you feel" was made up by someone in their 20s. Celebrate your real age and stand proud that you made it this far. Chin up. Don't let old age get you down. Old age teaches you to be in the moment. Life has many wonderful surprises waiting for you, especially when you grow old. The best is yet to come now that you get senior citizen discounts. When you become a senior citizen, you get to reap the fruits of your labors. When you get your first Social Security check, it's a true senior moment. Senior citizens know how to appreciate each day. Senior citizens are ready to have fun after a lifetime of work. Retirement isn't the end, but the beginning of a new life for senior citizens. Senior citizens are experts at having fun. Being a senior citizen is a testament to being flexible and resilient. Senior citizens know things younger people will spend a lifetime learning. Senior citizens understand the fragility of life better than younger people. Senior citizens have a great insight about the challenges of life. Seniors enjoy life with a lifetime of accumulated wisdom and experience. Don't sell a senior citizen short, you'll be surprised every time. I might have grown old, but I'm still here and ready to live my life. Don't let age fool you, it's just a number. The senior citizen's motto is, Carpe diem, today and tomorrow. Nothing stops a senior citizen, they are determined to get where they're going. A senior's body may be older, but they're still young at heart. Seniors are brave, having been through the fire at least once in their lives. A senior citizen isn't afraid to try new things. A senior citizen understands it's how you respond to life's challenges that counts. Senior citizens have lived long enough to know a few secrets. Senior citizens don't waste time worrying about the small things. Senior citizens know the impossible is never impossible. Enjoy each senior moment you share with other seniors. Senior citizens know it's never too late to follow your heart.